Rationalize the denominator and assume all variables represent positive real numbers. Okay, we have to assume they're positive because we cannot have any negative numbers in the square root, right? Okay, so what does it mean to rationalize the denominator? That means we don't want any square root signs in the denominator. So to get rid of that, we are going to multiply by what's called the conjugate. And the conjugate would just be these same two terms, just with a plus sign in between. So the conjugate is the square root of x plus 6. And I'm going to do that on the top and the bottom. So notice I'm multiplying by a fraction that's just equal to 1. So it's not changing the value of this expression at all. It's just going to help me get rid of that square root in the denominator. So let's start with the numerator. I have 3 times the square root of x and 3 times 6. So 3 times the square root of x plus 3 times 6 is 18. And then in the denominator, I need to multiply these two binomials, really. And I want you to notice that we are actually dealing with a difference of squares here, right? A difference of squares. If you look for that on your formula sheet, it shows you when you have a difference of squares, the solution is just a squared minus b squared. So I could FOIL this and just multiply and end up with 4 terms and then simplify, or I can just do this simplified way. I'm going to do the shortcut way. So my a is the square root of x, so I'm going to do the square root of x squared minus b squared. B is 6, so I'm going to do 6 squared. Okay, and then I would just simplify that. The square root of x squared is just x, so this would simplify to be x. And then 6 squared is 36, so I would rewrite that as a 36. Okay, notice now that my denominator has no square root signs, no radicals, and so that means that I have rationalized the denominator, and this is my final answer.